Our seasonal intern, Eddison Stewart, joins us now with more detail. So, Eddison, what makes bird conservation especially important here in Wichita Falls?
Well, Carney, Wichita Falls sits along a major bird migration route, making this region an important stop for millions of birds each year. Experts say winter is one of the most critical times for birds and encourage residents to help. On this National Bird Day, birds fill the skies across Texoma, some just passing through, others calling Wichita Falls home. But what many don't realize is just how important this region is to their journey. Wichita Falls sits along the Central Flyway, one of North America's largest bird migration paths, carrying millions of birds across the continent each year.
And we're right in the middle of one of the larger migration paths, which means we get millions of birds through here a year. Referring back to our numbers, 1,500 to 2,500 birds come into us each year. So our main goal is to rescue, rehab, and release.
At Wild Bird Rescue, that work continues year-round, but winter can be especially challenging for birds struggling to find food and water. Experts say winter and early spring are some of the most critical times for birds, and small steps taken here in Texoma can make a big difference.
So wintertime is the most crucial time for feeding birds, winter and early spring, because when it's cold, that's whenever they're having to use up all the energy to try to keep their bodies warm. So having a good, reliable source of quality food is extremely important.
Providing high energy food, keeping bird baths from freezing, and leaving natural shelter can help birds survive cold snaps. But conservation also starts with awareness.
Let's treat the wildlife all together. Beautiful. Pick up the trash. That's all we have is nature. That's all we have is one world. The birds are great. I didn't even know it was National Bird Day, but that makes me want to admire that bird right there. Look, a flock of seagulls.
On National Bird Day, conservation starts at home, and along the Central Flyway, help from Texoma can travel far. Wild Bird Rescue says spring migration begins in just a few months, making winter care especially important for birds traveling through Texoma.
Well, there was a lot to learn right there, and hopefully people will pitch in to help. Eddison, thank you so much for that story.